Century.
What?
We're at Pop Century.
Huh?
We're at Pop Century. I'm Allison.
And I'm Jessica, and we're planDisney panelists.
And today we're answering one of your frequently asked questions. What are the complimentary things to do at my Disney Resort hotel?
This is one of my favorite resorts. I've made so many memories here with my family and my friends.
You know, so one of the great things about staying at a Disney Resorts Collection hotel is that every Disney resort has a bunch of different recreational offerings that are included with your stay. So the fun can continue even outside of the theme parks.
That's so much fun. Look, there's a whole schedule here we can take a look at. There's some games we can play. There's a campfire.
You know I'm gonna have those s'mores.
I think I will have a few too. And a movie under the stars.
And with a movie.
Sounds perfect.
Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite Disney Resort hotel activity?
Shall we go?
Let's go.
Let's go find some games to play. What games are you good at?
That's a great idea. I'm really pretty good at ping pong.
Okay, well, I'm not, so
we'll definitely play that one.
We'll do that. What do you think about checkers?
I'm pretty good at checkers.
Okay,
A little competitive though, so.
What do you think about Twister?
I don't know about Twister.
I do. Let's go.
Oh wait, it's left hand, right?
Oh no! Oh, okay.
I'm twisted. I told you this was a bad idea. It's your move.
Game on.
Do you give up, Allison? Never. Do you want to look at my pile of your pieces? All right, I guess you're better at this than you led me to believe. I'm pretty good at checkers.
Okay.
I'm pretty good at checkers. Okay. I'm pretty good at checkers. Okay.
Let's go play ping pong.
Oh, okay.
It's time for some ping pong. Whoop. Whoop. Ah, that's one. That's one, everybody. How do I serve? Bounce and hit. I've lost count. I know. Game point. Okay. Ah! Easiest win ever! Champion! Take that. Ha ha ha.
How you feel?
Terrible. Awful. I hate to lose. I don't like it.
Any last words?
Guess she's better at checkers than she is at ping pong.
I mean, it's true.
Man, all that winning sure has worked up an appetite.
I feel like I remember winning at checkers, but I'll give it to you.
I'll give you that one, I guess.
Well, if you're ready for a sweet treat, should we head to the campfire?
Yes, I think I smell it.
Okay, let's go. Let's go get some s'mores. This is so good, and this is one of the great complimentary activities that are at so many of the different resorts.
Yeah, it's a great way to enjoy the evening ambiance. After you've had a full day at the parks, you can come here, you can get a s'mores kit and relax, and it's Mickey shaped. Cheers.
So good.
Very good.
Well, we've had so much fun today at the resort. We've done so much. We ate s'mores, you beat me at ping pong.
Never let you forget it either.
Forget it.
But now, the best way to end your day is with a movie under the stars. So this is another resort offering that's completely free at most Disney Resort hotels, and the movie's gonna change nightly. So be sure to check that board in your resort lobby and find out what the featured movie's gonna be.
Sounds like so much fun. And if you have any more questions about planning your Disney vacation, you can visit us at planDisney.com.
Now, shh, the movie's starting.